All videos are available in 3 languages: English, Malay, and Tamil. Check my links below and choose the best video for you. Shall we begin? So we visited my great-grandmother's homeland, Kerala, India. And I have to tell you, I really miss the place. There is something about the food that feels familiar, like home, but unique at the same time. As you can see, we tried everything we can get our hands on. I just love how boldly coconut oil is used as the primary cooking oil. And today, I would like to share a snack made the same way since my great-grandmother's era, Upperi. Firstly, cover your hands in oil. And then gently peel the green plantains. Sometimes the skin can be tough, so peel it with a knife. Next, we're going to soak the plantains in some water, add some salt, and then soak it for 30 minutes. Once you're done soaking, take them out and then pat them dry. Prepare some strong salt water. I will tell you why later. Using a mandolin like this, thinly slice the plantains into lovely golden coins. This thickness looks fine. Now heat some coconut oil with a teaspoon of turmeric for color. Coconut oil makes a huge difference. And then we can start frying the plantain chips. After 3 to 4 minutes, pour in 1 tablespoon of the salt water. As you fry the next batches, remember the oil already has salt, so add less and less as you go. Upperi can last a long time. If you store it in a dry, airtight jar, it can hold for maybe more than 2 weeks actually. Although, I am quite sure that you will finish it in 3 days.
നന്നായിട്ടുണ്ട് ഉപ്പേരി വളരെ നന്നായിട്ടുണ്ട് எங்கள் அம்மா எப்போதும் இந்த மாதிரி பொரிப்பாங்க ரொம்ப பெரிய